So what is AI? Artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks based on human cognition. These tasks include problem-solving, decision-making, learning, and language understanding. AI can help analyze data, predict patterns, and improving them over time.
The concept of AI dates back to ancient myth and philosophical discussion about creating intelligent beings. However, modern AI began in the mid-20th century.
1950, Alan Turing proposed the Turing test to detect a machine's intelligence.
1956, John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence at the Dartmouth Conference.
From 1960s to 1980s, early AI programs played chess and helped solve algebraic problems but had limited capabilities.
1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated world-class champion Garry Kasparov in chess.
2010s to present, advancement in deep learning and neural networks led to AI systems like Siri, ChatGPT, and Alexa.
So while in AI is transforming a lot of industries, making it essential to learn for the students and the professionals.
Career opportunities. High demands in careers like AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learning experts are available.
Problem-solving skills. AI helps automate complex processes, enhancing efficiency.
Innovation. AI is the backbone of modern technology, from healthcare to space exploration.
Competitive edge. Learning AI helps in digital economy understanding and gives us an advantage.
AI in daily life. AI is already integrated into our lives without even us realizing. Recommendation systems. Netflix, YouTube, Spotify suggest content based on our preferences. Healthcare. AI assists in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatment plans. Navigation. Google Maps and Waze use AI for real-time traffic updates. E-commerce. Online stores use AI for personalized shopping experiences and fraud detection. Smart Assistant. Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa helps us set reminders and answer our queries.
AI in large-scale projects. Beyond our daily essential need, AI helps in advancing a lot of major global projects that are going on. Finance, autonomous vehicle, healthcare, space exploration, and a lot.
AI is reshaping the world, from simplifying everyday tasks to tackling world challenges. Learning AI equips individuals with valuable skills to adapt to technological advancement and contribute to the future of innovation. Whether for personal use or large-scale projects, AI is a game changer for the modern era.
And that's AI for beginners.